been a while. The project is still here. Haven't had a chance to do it, but today we are definitely going to be working on my 97 F-150. We're going to be changing these shocks. Currently in there, I own that truck since 2000, so I know for the last 26 years they haven't been touched, so pretty sure they're like OEM spec in there. So this is the brand that I went with. It's XLG. Supposedly these are OEM specs, so we'll see how they ride after we change them. It's pretty simple. You get your new bushings. However, mine came with only one was missing. It looks like a little rat got in there and ate it, so the box is also messed up, but we'll use our old ones, no big deal. It's just the upper bushing. So let's get the truck and let's start taking it apart and see where we end up. All right, here she is. I got her lifted. Got some jack stands just to be safe. Now we're gonna take off some tires and see what else we have to do to get the shocks out. Alright, looks like there's one screw right here and should be two screws down there. Alright, let's get wrenching. Alright, the top screw is about 21. One on the bottom, right in there, that holds the shock, is also 21. So now, just gotta crank on it. Actually, let me get a better tool. Better tool acquired. All right, and the bottom is 14. Actually, the bottom is 13. Alright, that was the simplest shock removal ever. So here is the old one. Here is the new one. Now that I see how bad the old one is crushed, I wish I had a new one for this one, but I just don't want to wait. I'm just going to reuse this. It's whatever, no big deal, because it's going to be clamped anyways. So let's install this bad boy and see how it is. Alright, before we install it, we got to put a bushing on, which is the bottom bushing. Stays like that, and now we're just gonna push it from down, under, and up. All right, so let me get it in there. Just like that. Goes up. Line up to the screws. Right there. Machine. Alright, so next thing is we're gonna put a bushing on like that, along with a washer and a screw. So we're just gonna tighten it to good and tight, and then we call this one here done. Alright, the shock is installed, or strut, whatever you want to call it. Two screws on the bottom, one screw on the top. I actually can't change the other one on the other side because the thread pitch is different, so I'm gonna actually wait till I get a new screw and everything. I took this off, so I put it back on. Yeah, it's annoying, but one new, one old, and we're gonna have to get a new rubber bushing and stuff. Alright, this one should be pretty simple. There's a screw in there, and there is literally one screw down here. So just gonna start with the top one and then come back on the bottom one. Alright, so we're gonna remove the lower bolt. It's 18mm. Alright, now that is off. Pull it out. And then we're gonna do the impossible one, which is one on the top, which is kind of really hard to get to. But yeah, we're gonna start going with the top one. Alright, the old shock is out. I started to leak a little bit too. Here is the new one. So we're just gonna put new bushings and put it back in the same hole and see how she feels after a while, because this one is totally blown. So yeah, let's install this one and see how she feels. So basically this one is gonna install the way it came out. There's a rubber bushing, there's the rubber bushing on top, and then there's a nut and a locking nut. So it'll go right in here. Let me see if I can show you from the bottom. Right in that hole. Alright, this side is all installed. Here's your locking nut up there, and the bottom is tight. That's how she looks. Alright, here we are 2 weeks later. All shocks are on. Oh yeah, what a difference. It actually feels so much more stable. Like there's like almost no lean as like it used to be back in the when the old shocks were on. Braking perfect, no much dip. And just like when you go over the bumps, it actually feels like nice. It feels like more of a stiff. Yeah. Yep, the bump, no problem. Alright, shocks are fixed. There's a little bump. Yep, it feels a lot firmer than what it used to feel. What a difference. Alright, we fixed this bad boy. It looks like she's good to go.